This is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems, just demonstrating our different probes. We have a couple different options. This one is a two-piece system, so there's a pallet with the probe. It's a little bit bulkier. The probe tip is a little bit bigger. This was a 5 mil ball. This one in particular, it's the US 600-3. It's a one-piece design construction instead of the two-piece with the pallet. It's a little bit slimmer, and the needle's a little bit longer. This particular instance, to get down the face of this part, we're going to use this one as the needle's a little bit longer and the ball is actually a 3 mil tip. We're going to put it in the machine and we're going to probe this part. We're going to put this one in here. We have to probe this little boss feature down the side of this slide. This is for an injection mold. So we're going to use this probe as it's a little bit slimmer and a little bit easier to get in place. It connects with a 3R chuck. Simple tighten of the test. The set screw, it's very secure. Now we're going to go ahead and probe our part. So the nice slim design lets us get down the face of the slide, whereas this one is a little bit bulkier for different applications. That's a simple way with our US 600.3 to probe small parts in intricate places. For more information, visit us at www.rapidholdingsystems.com. And if you like our content, please like and subscribe. We'd love to show you more. Thanks a lot.